I'm going towards the venue now. I have become a bit late. It is because of the fact that I had a huge difficulty in terms of cabs today, but hopefully I'll be reaching very soon and I'm super excited. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please keep on watching. The event is going to take place in VLCC at Kasbah, Kolkata, and this is the VLCC Wellness Center in Kasbah. And yeah, this center is located on the first floor of this building, which is just next to the Kasbah police station. So now we are just going inside the event and I'm super excited. This is the main reception. There are areas where section for your hair care, pedicure, manicure and treatments and procedure, and there are separate rooms and sections, and everywhere various experts and professionals take extra care and hand. I really like the way they take care of the services and provide you with optimum knowledge, and they really handle each of the services with a lot of care and diligence, and I really like the overall ambience. Here we are checking out how microblading works, and microblading is actually a technique of darkening your natural brows, and as you can see how carefully it has been done and how much they care about hygienic their clients and everything. So whenever they're doing any sort of procedure, they take all sort of care and do it very well so that it is more comfortable. So after that session, we went forward and had a session with the experts, and they told us about the various way we can take care of our skin, our hair. Here we are learning about the various way we can deal with our hair freeze problems and problems related to pigmentation, acne, then dry skin, aging, and they are giving us a really good solution.
Different. Medically, I know that, but when you're talking to commercial over-the-counter products, they treat hair loss as hair loss without even telling you what is understanding how to do hair loss. So the Medovita lotion concentrate which is lotion concentrate for men, has special ingredients called Serenoa repens, which is an ingredient which works on cutting out certain enzymes into you, which are responsible along with overproduction of testosterone, which cause male hair loss. 2 programs you can take depending on whether you have burnt frizzy hair or dry frizzy hair. My hairdresser will be able to address this, he's been taught by this. But you can get yourself into a macadamia healing oil treatment, which reduces the frizz. In case you want to reduce the frizz a little more permanently or semi-permanently, you can give your frizz a coating of Kerafusion, which is a keratin-based treatment. By immediate reduction of frizz, your hair becomes more manageable. Whatever is there in the beauty industry, VLCC is the forefront of having it available to the customer. Always with the fact that the safety of the client to me is paramount. I can give a result, maybe a session lower, slower or whatever, but I have to ensure safety of a client, which is the hallmark of VLCC. You are in safe hands, you are in trained hands, nothing will go wrong with you.
Like the fact that the experts actually know what they're talking about, and they give us such a well-versed information, not only in the way the problem occurs in our skin or in terms of our hair, but the way it could be treated with proper care and proper procedure. But share those learning with you guys, of course, in the upcoming skincare videos, so that it is easier for you to understand. Whatever I have learned will definitely help me a lot in take care of my skin, in take care of my hair, and as well as sharing those information with you guys will also help you to take care of your skin. I'm really happy about the fact that I finally found a place where I can rely in terms of taking care of my skin and overall beauty. After that, we had an amazing and delicious lunch, and I really liked that mithai. Received a goodie bag, and I'll be reviewing this diamond face mask pretty soon. If you like, you can always go ahead and check out VLCC yourself and talk to the expert in terms of your skin, hair, and I'm sure they will help you out in the best way possible. And I will see you guys soon. Until next time, take care. Bye.